как тебе такое?
Типа, окей. And the reason I say that is because its SR lines aren't as clean cut, meaning, and I put some down here at 3960, right? They play a little bit more there. So again, with Hyperliquid, you're more or less in the middle of a range here. I'm not looking to trade these. I want to look at the extremes. And so really, I'm not interested in Hyperliquid till 3960 to 4015 at the very least. But really 3960 would be what I'm watching. You got the 4 hour on height. It's almost oversold on the stochastic R side, so something there. But again, middle of a range, right? You may get a little scalp trade at 4270. I'm not interested in playing that. I'm looking at the daily, and I'm waiting until everything's in confluence. Like here, we have the 4 hour 200 EMA at 4015. So. Need to go much higher to 2550. But until then, I'm not going to rush this. Okay, I'm going to wait for 2240. If I get it, fine. If not, no worries. And then I'm going to wait for this break above at 2420 on the daily. So really, guys, like when you're in the middle of a range, you don't want to trade this chop. You want to wait to the extremes on both sides. And if we close the daily below 2240, then fine. I'll look at 2180 next, right? We have the support multiple times, April 8th all the way to April 13th.
Leave that. I'm gonna go through it once I'm done with the my matte installation.
The thing has been calling insane trades, man.
Really?
Like 4 trades, bro, 4 TPs hits.
That's really good. Man, you're writing it all down, right? Most of the trades when they were happening, I was at gym. So even today, this is like 5th call in the past, I don't know, 2 weeks now that they're all happening while I'm at gym. And I was thinking like, what if I set up like an account on like Blowfin or something that I can operate from my phone so I can do like trades, you know? He made like $400, bro.
Yeah, bro, they're golden. Yesterday I made $700, I think, with the trades, or 2 days ago. The Sol ZV-E10 Bitcoin short. And that's just, bro, that's just by taking TP1s, huh? Imagine if I would have closed fully. The indicator is cooking, bro, I swear.
How much money did you put in?
I'm underestimating how powerful. Come again?
I hope you don't do cross, you do isolated.
No, bro, you're crazy, man.
Good. There was a guy here once who was doing the same thing and he was doing cross and I was like, oh my god, fucking don't do cross, bro, go isolate. He's like, why? I'm like, bro.
No, that's crazy. No, fuck that, man. I'm never doing cross. Yeah, but I also took the money investing, like I took my money out of stocks because I'm expecting the market to go down like sooner or later with the S&P 500 not really performing well lately, like being a bit rocky.
We are also closing the 100-year cycle there, so that's going to be really rocky right now.
Exactly, bro, but yeah. I think I did actually, but in case you don't find it, I mean, I can still share it again.
Drop it in my Telegram, please, one more time. Yeah, but the problem is with the free one, I can only use 2 things. So if I'm looking at the EMA and the RSI, I would have to switch everything off and just watch the indicator then. Oh, yes! I forgot.
Hey, bro, you just noticed, bro. Yeah, but I might be going back to Asia end of the year, bro, so there's no rush.
Okay.
I honestly wouldn't even know how to go about even using that indicator. For sure, I'd love to see so I can get a better understanding. So I was gonna take that trade that Ed posted, the hype one, and when I was looking at the graph, of course I'm not no pro and I don't have enough. Okay,
Yeah.
so it's giving you a heads up that a big whale is doing something, so they're buying or selling. So what if necessarily when they're on top? Because I see you have the purple pinkish colored dots, and then you have the green ones under it.
But this is a great question. We're not going to jump over it, man. I appreciate that you were here because it gives us the opportunity and look at it if the dots are actually indicating that. It technically should mean that, but we should go through the PDF. Do I have?
Will it also tell you?
Going on, because here you can see the PVRSA is on supply right here.
Yes.
So it indicates as a red. Red means shorting. So as you can see here, the scores it gives, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 longing indicators signaling a long. Now the score is 5. Why? Because not every indicator has the same relevance. So let's say, for example, the EMAs, these are what you should look to before you decide to enter trade.
Okay.
This is like, you can see the long and the short score very simply explained as a summary of everything that's above. So let's see how this trade played out, just based on the signals. So okay, we see, there we go. Okay, so very important here. The indicator signaled along, right? So when the minimum score is reached, it will automatically signal along. Let's go back a few steps.